Well, do you want to talk
different
about the questions? I'll tell you where I got these questions.
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So there's a Facebook page called Humans of New York,
Mhm,
and the man interviews people. He started in New York City, but now he's
mhm,
traveled a lot. He goes other places, but he always
mhm,
asks questions. And these questions are some of the questions he's asked. I'll pull them up here. I will
mhm,
share. Whoops.
mhm.
Oh, that's not right. I didn't do it right. Hang on a sec. I'll share my screen.
Really interesting subject. Mhm.
Let's see if this will work. Okay. There it is.
Mhm.
Can you see the questions?
Yeah, I
And
see.
we can
Mhm,
both answer them, and um, we can be silly or we can be serious. It doesn't
mhm.
really matter. Good conversation, right?
Yeah, that's right. Mhm.
So, do you want to read the first question?
Mhm. With pleasure. Uh-huh. What uh, are you most afraid of right now? Hmm? Actually, mm, I learned mm, to live without fear. Really, I don't know. Mm. Of course, uh, I'm afraid to fall down and
Yes,
hurt myself
yes,
and hurt myself because uh, responsibility of my care, my health goes to my wife, and
right,
I don't want to over mm, wait.
right,
So
right. You don't want
yeah,
to burden her. Erdi, can
yeah,
you turn
yeah.
your volume up?
Sorry.
Can you turn your volume up?
Mm, sorry. I
Can
didn't
you
catch
make
it.
your voice louder by turning up the
Ah,
volume?
my voice louder.
Yeah, I think that'd be better.
Right now,
Yeah,
how
that's better.
is it better?
I think so.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So you don't want to be a burden to your wife because if you fell, then there would be
Yeah,
more
yeah,
responsibility for her. I get that. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So uh, this maybe my biggest fear
Yeah.
about life.
Yeah.
I don't want to be fair about my financial
Yeah.
situation or my economic or politic in
Yeah. And
my country. Mhm.
I was gonna say I don't have a lot of fears myself either, but sometimes I do have some fears and they're around politics and the environment. And
Mhm.
um, I don't want to talk about those things. So let's move to number two.
Mhm. What the happiest moment of your life?
Yeah.
Oh,
What is the happiest moment of your life?
if we say about my past, um, of course it is the birthday um, um, of my daughter
Yeah.
and meeting with my wife, first
Uh-huh.
meeting,
Yeah.
because I was very actually maybe no, I met my wife through internet.
Oh,
Uh,
really? Okay.
yeah, yeah, that's true. 10 years ago,
Okay.
and so we were typing to each other, messaging, calling, and talked a lot, and we planned our meeting. And so when it happened, it happened uh, in a year. It happened in a year, and it was, of course, the most
Nice.
happiest day of my mm,
Oh,
life, and I was really happy. Whether I would say my story, mm, anyone, everybody, are everybody impressed of
Mm.
my story and our meeting, and
Nice.
of
So
course
you,
it's
you didn't meet
the,
in person for a year. You
yeah, yeah,
communicated with her
mhm,
for a year. That's a long time.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's a long time. I was afraid that uh, we could accustom to this situation, just typing and talking,
Right,
and
right.
so I was hurrying to meet, and
Mhm.
uh, I said to myself, it might be now, or it wouldn't happen,
Mm.
or it couldn't happen
Right.
mm, any. Uh,
Yeah. Oh, that's good. I like that story. Um, when I think about my happiest moment in my life, I have so many. And um, I can't think of one in particular, but I think every day I have happy moments. You know,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
just
yeah.
I get excited about little things, you know.
Hmm.
So
hmm I got you. I got you.
yeah,
Uh, I understand you deeply.
yeah.
For example, today my wife and me mm, visited a museum.
Ah,
Yeah, and we were uh, going to the museum through beautiful place, through forest, and
nice.
it was a wonderful road, both uh, al- along both sides of the road,
Nice.
high trees, beautiful trees, and
And you enjoyed that.
yeah, yeah, we enjoyed that. I was driving, and I said to myself, "Wow, oh, such a beautiful time, such a beautiful moment." I took a lot of pictures. I
Oh,
made some some videos,
good.
and
I'll have to look. Yeah.
yeah, I will place um, to my group.
Do it. Do it.
I
That,
will download it. Mhm.
yeah, awesome. Well,
It's
let's
cool.
see. The last question is, who is the most influential person in your life?
Uh, Actually, mm, there are a lot of people who gave me great impact, but I took a thought about that, and uh, I would say that maybe my mother. My
Ah,
mother is
yeah.
was
Hmm.
very great person. She's really simple. She's uh, really casual.
Hmm.
She was a really casual person,
Hmm.
and uh, but her kindness, her love for people, her life for life always gave me mm, great mm, impact,
Hmm.
great impact, and
And
but unfortunately
mm,
relates to my young age. I didn't understand about that,
your
so
mother
I
alive?
have a lot of sorry. Hmm?
Is your mother
Sorry.
alive today?
Mm, Not. mm, Unfortunately, she passed away
Mm,
3 years ago.
okay.
Mm, It
Yeah. And I
was
would say,
one of saddest, saddened,
mhm.
saddest moment of my life, of course. But um, I, how to say, I see, I see myself
Mhm.
uh, that I was lucky to have such mother.
Nice.
Mhm.
Oh, that's
Mm.
so nice. As a mother, that melts my heart. If my children would speak of me so kindly, that's wonderful. I would say,
I'm sure.
oh, I don't know. But I would say
Yeah.
too that my parents were very influential in my life. And also,
Wow.
my
Wow.
parents are deceased. They passed
Mhm.
away 10,
Mm.
12 years ago. 10 and 12 years ago.
Oh, 10 years ago. Mhm.
So, yeah,
So long time. Mhm.
they both died of heart attacks.
Oh.
I know. And I'm already on blood pressure medication.
Mhm.
So I have
Mm.
inherited that medical condition.
Mm. Mhm.